Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you the engine compartment fuse box location on our 03 Volvo V70 2.4 liter non-turbo. So we're going to open the hood. The hood latch location is on the driver's side, the left leg kick panel. You reach in there, you feel a handle, see it, just give it a pull. So the safety latch is located right here in the center. You just pull up the tab and lift the hood open. So it's clearly marked fuses, and it's in front of the driver's seat engine compartment. So we've got tons of little clips here that we're going to push in and lift this up. And it's kind of a neat design, the way they put a nice clear tag and tell you each spot and what each fuse and relay is located and what it's for. They even give you a nice little clip in here. Always make sure your cover is put back on properly.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.